Look how many hawks we have around here. Oh man, we have a bunch of them. That's one reason why this year I decided to, well, last year really when I started back up, but started to do the premier fencing. Because when I let the chickens out, just kind of go throughout the yard or whatever, that's how I lost a couple of them, because of all the hawks that we have. Now that's a lot of hawks. And you know that ain't all of them. Nice fresh grass. It tastes better, don't it? Huh? Don't it? What, Frank? You're such a good boy. Here you are. Well, okay. That was that. Hey. Okay. Okay, I had to take Freddie and his girlfriend, put them out in that kennel, and then I had to bring the Marans out here in this kennel so that I can clean their brooder inside the coop. So I had to have somewhere to put them. It takes a little longer to clean the brooder inside a coop than it does the brooder in the shed. The brooder in the coop's on the floor, so it doesn't really, it's not on stands. So they're having fun. I poured some sand in that corner. They're having a blast. It's actually nice out right now, so I may do this again tomorrow. I may need to bring that second kennel inside here, that small one there I'm not using, while I'm in rotation of birds, of toddlers and teenagers right now. Oh, you're just having all kinds of fun in that, aren't you? Well, you can enjoy. You can stay in there for a couple hours, okay? And then Freddie and his girlfriend can stay out there for a couple hours. Frank, you need to go get the girls who keeps pecking on my legs. Go get them, Frank. Oh, he's doing the dance. Yeah, my Marans are doing really good, so they're getting them a bath. So while I'm working 4 days a week, I can put them out here in the evening after I get off work at 4 o'clock. You know, switch all these kennels around and let them have a little fun and some sand and stuff there. Wait, misfit, you can't fit in there? Get in there. And I do have their feed and water here, and I put their little perch in there. You better get in there. Are they hogging up the room? Are you going to be the little misfit? Huh? Oh, they're finally venturing out a little bit on the new grass, but they're still not going out there a lot. That's about as far as I've seen them go by themselves without me out here. Oh, there they go. Okay. Good girls. Good girls. All right, they're finally starting to venture out some. See, fresh grass. I've been trying to tell you that. Got Freddie and his girl inside the hen box panning out. That's nice and cozy, huh? Everybody's always wanting to hang out in here. That door stays open over there most of the time, 24/7. And then we have the Marans out here. There was a little bit of a cool breeze coming from that direction, so I just put a little piece of plastic on that side. They're growing. Yeah, you'll be out here full time in not long. Not long. I still see a little bit of peach fuzz. I still see some peach fuzz. Freddie and his girl's doing good. Finished up their wet feed for breakfast. Have to pull that out of there. What? Would you quit? I mean, really? What? No, I just gave you a treat. You need to quit. And then I put them some little treats in there. I threw some scratch out in the yard, but I always put a little bit in here, and I mix extra seeds and herbs and garlic powder with it sometimes. So, there's a little bit of a breeze out here. I mean, it's not freezing cold, but it's a... I mean, as long as you're working and not just standing or sitting around, it's not bad. Yeah, it's a good day to be working out here. They got enough feathers on them for that little bit of a cool breeze. I just put this plastic here because once in a while it kind of whoops through really hard for like 2-3 seconds. Everyone's doing good. And I got everything washed up. I cleaned the heat plate. I got it drying. Got the poo-poo off of it. And then I got everything cleaned out of there and replaced the shavings. And we got a hen in here. I'm so tempted. I'm just so tempted to look for me a large egg. They still haven't grown enough. They're not even a year old, so the eggs are still growing. And I'm waiting to get a couple of bigger ones. Some of them haven't gotten to the actual size of a Rhode Island red egg, which is large and extra large. They're like medium with a couple large in there, here and there. So I'm just going to wait till spring, but I was tempted to grab a couple large ones and try out my new incubator. But I don't want to raise just 1 or 2 chicks through the winter either. I mean, I've got new chicks coming in. See, this is Saturday, so they may be here anytime between Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I got to get the in-house brooders set up, because they'll be in the house for 2 weeks before they go out to the Chicksville Shed, into that brooder. So we're starting our rotation. No more chicks the rest of the winter. Yeah, Mom, right. Okay, it looks like everybody's doing good. I've got some more chores to get done. Get the brooders set up in the house so it's done and over with, and I don't have to worry about it. You like that grass, huh? I like it. Huh? Here's a Ruger. Bull calf. He's going to have some buddies pretty soon. All right, looks like they're getting used to everything with the new grass, so I'm going to go ahead. All right, and there's Frank's girlfriends. And you can tell by their combs, they're not old enough to even lay eggs right now, so. But they're growing fast. And the little one's still sunbathing. Ruger was wanting some sweet feed, so I was inside the coop. He just staring at me through the window like, can you give me a treat? So I went and got him some sweet feed.